Okay, today we will be migrating Windows to a bigger hard drive. This will work for laptop or desktop computers. Here's what you will need. We have this Dell Latitude 5411 notebook. This one has a 250 gigabyte hard drive. Before we continue, let's look it up to make sure we get the right hard drive. So this Latitude 5411 supports M.2 2280, so we know what to get. Back to the items we need. A USB flash drive. This one is a 16 gigabyte USB 3 drive from SanDisk. An external hard drive. This one is my Samsung T7 SSD. And lastly, we need the bigger hard drive. This is a Samsung 970 EVO Plus 500 gigabyte SSD. We also need hard drive cloning software. The program I use is Macrium Reflect. It's available as a free 30-day trial. The current version here is version 10. Download and install the home version. Just do a quick sign up to access the download. The one I have here is version 8, but 10 has extra features and performance tweaks. Let's go ahead and install it. Let's restart after installation. Now that we're back, let's clone our Windows drive. Go ahead and insert our USB flash drive. And then we insert our external hard drive. Let's launch Macrium Reflect. Here's the interface. The top line is our 250 gigabyte Windows drive. The middle is our flash drive. The bottom is our external hard drive. We will start by creating rescue media. This is what you use to boot the computer when you need to clone or restore your drive. Click Rescue on the top left. Then select the USB flash drive. Then click Build. It may take just a few minutes. So now we will create a backup image by cloning the Windows drive. Go ahead and select the entire drive. Click Image this disk. The drive should be pre-selected, so this looks good. Select the folder where you want this image to be saved. We will be putting it in the Samsung T7 external drive. And then let's create a name for this backup image. Click Next and then Finish. At the bottom center, I click the drop-down and select Shutdown. From this point on, give it a few minutes to let Macrium do its magic. Okay, now we are ready to upgrade to a bigger hard drive. But first, touch something metal so you don't accidentally static shock any parts. Let's go ahead and crack this 5411 open. There's the 250 gigabyte M.2 2280S SD. Let's go ahead and remove it. And here's the 500 gigabyte Samsung 970 EVO Plus SSD. The rule of thumb is you want your new drive to be the same capacity or more when upgrading. Let's go ahead and install it. Okay, let's plug in the USB flash drive. Plug in the external hard drive and power it on. We want to one-time boot up to the USB flash drive. For this Dell, I am pressing F12 until the one-time boot menu appears. Select the USB flash drive and press Enter. So now the laptop is booting up to the rescue media created earlier. Now we are going to put the cloned Windows image onto our new hard drive. Select Browse for an image file. Click on the folder where the image is saved. Highlight it and click OK. Click that image to select it and click Restore. The top is the cloned Windows image. The bottom is the new Samsung hard drive. We are going to start fresh by erasing it first. Click Erase Disk, then click Copy Partitions. Because of the original cloned image was 250 gigabytes, we have extra empty space in this new 500 gigabyte Samsung drive. We will fill it by highlighting that last partition and clicking Fill Space. Now we are ready to restore. Click Next, then click Finish. Hit Confirm to override. Again, we select Shutdown after it's done. Remove the USB flash drive and the external drive and power on the computer. Now we have the same Windows we had earlier, just with a bigger hard drive. And we are done. One final note, not only is cloning great for migrating Windows to a new hard drive, it's also a great backup system in case you need to roll back to a previously saved version due to software or hardware malfunction. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.